how to recover deleted comments on Instagram. So if you want to recover your deleted comments on your Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you can go with profile, which is on the bottom right. From your profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and from here you can scroll down and you will have account center. Tap on it. Under account center, you need to go with your information and permissions, and then tap on download your information, and tap on download or transfer information, and then select your Instagram. Tap on next, tap on some of your information, and then you need to scroll down, go and select comments, and tap on next. Tap on download to device, and then select your date range. So I'll just simply go with last week, and then tap on save and go with the notification email, the format, the media quality, and tap on create files. Once you've tapped on create files, within a few hours your files will be created, and you need to go back to the same page which is right here. Now you will have the available downloads or the downloads that you've asked for. You need to tap on download and it will be downloaded. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.